How to get the Freddy Fazbear in the Infinite Craft. So let's start. So firstly you have to add these elements. The first one is the water and the wind. So once it make the wave, you have to make the new element and add the water and the fire. Now you have to add both of them and again add all of these elements and make the new element. Now you have to add all of these that are showing and you have to add both of them and it make the Sandman. Now in this you have to add the surfer in the Sandman and you have to add the dream in the dream and it make the nightmare. And after that you have to make the new element in which you have to put all of these elements in it. So once it make the robot, in the robot you have to add the planet and after that you have to add the cyborg and it make the Freddy. So that's how you can make the Freddy in the Fazbear in the Infinite Craft. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.